Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the payroll date on Gusto Payroll. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you've signed up for Gusto and you want to change your payroll date. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log on to Gusto. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get $100 sent back to you. Now once you're logged in, you're going to click on Pay, and then from here, click on Pay Settings. Now, once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down. Scroll down to where it says Pay Frequency, and then click on Edit. Here, you can actually adjust your pay frequency, and you can also change the day of the month. So if you don't want to be paid on the 21st, you can change it to 22nd, the 12th, etc. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payroll date on Gusto Payroll. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you actually get $100 sent back to you once you run your first payroll. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.